See you around.
I don't think Les is coming back. He's been gone for days.
Ford keeps us in the dark, figuratively and literally.
I told Mark not to go out there. His brother needs him.
Hey, I got my eye on you. Don't try nothing.
Wallace may have lost his brother, but he has us now. We'll protect him.
Well, not a soul here who ain't hurting with folk they've lost.
Where are you? I swear, if you try scaring me, I'll... What? Where the hell did you come from? You nearly scared the life out of me. No one else wandering around down here. Yeah. Name's Ace. Ace Cotterill? You? That right? Well, you found it. Starting that relic could mean trouble, though. So, you ever start a reactor? Well, it makes a lot of noise, for starters. Lucky for you, it's just the press of a button on the terminal above us. Would have done it myself, but without knowing what might come sniffing around. With the two of us, though, maybe we got a chance. Okay, so I have an idea. You go upstairs and start the reactor. I'll help you kill whatever comes our way. You probably need a weapon, huh? Let's see if I can find you something. That should improve our odds. Get up there, reactor. Get up there and start the reactor.
crap!
Okay, just a little more! Reactor's almost done! The reactor's back on!
It's over. I got you!
Fought good. Real good. You best go check in with Ford. Come visit my shop sometime, yeah? I'll make sure to give you the good in a fight discount.